Well, since I had to give them all of our information anyway, and then I understood that they were drawing on bonds in the background, do you know every year they give for both of my boys, every year my kids get a brand new laptop. Every year my kids would get an internet hotspot that was unlimited. My kids get like a Uber home and to school and home every day. You know what I mean? Because mama knows how to
How
rock them
can I
benefits.
guess that? Those tuition fees are really expensive.
Listen, even when I was doing K-12 with my kids, they were paying for our internet. They bought all the computers and the internet and everything. And on top of that, they were like, "Oh, well, since you're not working, if you K-12 them a certain amount of time, then we'll pay you." I said, "Okay, cool. Send me the paperwork. Send me the paperwork. I'm gonna rock them bonds. I'm gonna rock them bonds."
I
I've
see
even
some
called
edits to
into.
my essay coming.
I even called into United Healthcare, who's our medical provider, because my kids, they were with my mom when CPS took them. And of course, they changed all their benefits because they were under a different program. So my mom was getting paid basically for keeping my kids from me. So when I got them back, I called in to DES to get their benefits, their health insurance changed back to the one that I like. And they were like, "Oh, no, we can't do that, blah, blah, blah. Well, you have to wait till next year and then you can change it." And I hung up the phone and I was pissed off because that was unacceptable to me. But I'm not going to deal with them knuckleheads over there. So I called United Healthcare. And before I called them, I sent them my power of attorney from my secure party filing, which gives my straw man giving me all the authority to sign. And I faxed that into them, and then I called them. And when I called them, I spoke to them in the third party. And they says, "Well, ma'am, is this you?" And I said, "No, it's not me." I said, "I'm power of attorney for the names." And they said, "Well, do you have proof of that?" I said, "I already faxed it to you. Check your fax machine. It'll be in there." So they got up and they checked the fax. They saw it. She came back on. She said, "Ma'am, what can I do?" I said, "Look," I said, DES is denying to switch these offspring back to their regular insurance program, and I want you guys to do it right now." And she said, "Okay, hold on 1 second." And she said, "Son number 1, information is changed back right now. Son number 2," right? Because she was like, "Well, who are you?" It was the answer I gave her. When she said, "Who are you?" and I told her my power of attorney was there, I said, "I'm the grantor over this entire constructed trust."